This is all my herbs from this year. All the herbs that I saved. This is where I put them. This is some mint, spearmint. Over here, there's a mixture of everything. This one, this is some kind of mint also. Sometimes I have to smell them to know what they are. Lemon balm. This one is from Jamaica. Pepper elder. Some more mint, spearmint right here. Liquid stock or rosemary. Mint again. Yep, mint is the most that I have here. Perilla. This is the one from Jamaica. Hibiscus. Did I say hibiscus already? And I have ram goat dash along somewhere else. Okay, yeah, so there you have it. Those are a lot of the bush. This one is sage. This is the sage plant, or sage. This is basil. Yeah, basil, dry basil. This is comfrey. I haven't used anything, I haven't used a comfrey for anything yet, but I save them because it's good to have. Just a few leaf. So these are all the other dry herbs I have. Not all of them, these are some of them. So this big bag is fever grass. And these ones are all from Jamaica. Woolly fever grass. This is merengue. I think people call it moringa. In Jamaica, I always say merengue. This one is, it's ram goat dash along. Yeah, this is the ram goat dash along. So I picked all of these and bring them back. And as long as they're bone dry, we can bring them back to the US. This is a Jamaican peppermint. Fine mint. They call it peppermint, but it's not too peppery. Let's try to open it with one hand. Yep, that's what it looks like. Let's see what else we have this. Soursop. Soursop is a must. Always soursop leaf. This is guava. My guava leaf. I'm actually drinking guava tea right now. Look at my guava leaf tea right here. Alright, let's see what else. This one. Guinean weed. This is pimenta. Pimenta, which is allspice. So this is a leaf of allspice tree. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. This is all the pimenta leaf. So I picked all these myself. Most of them. Most of these I picked. I dry them and then bring them back. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon. There's a lot more cinnamon over here too. Sure. Close up by the cinnamon. Cinnamon I'm going to use for tea, porridge. Of course, it's some kind of spice you can use in bacon. Use it when I make cereal. Alright, what else we have? Right here, vervine. Vervine right here. And if there's any that I haven't shown, they're probably in this pile. They're right here. Yeah, I think I showed these already. So these are all stuff from here, Boston, and the others are Jamaica. Except the hibiscus. Hibiscus is in there. I showed already. And pepper elder. And pepper elder. Pepper elder. I almost forget these. So this one is rosemary. Not from my garden here, but this is from Jamaica. Really big. I don't know if you can see it through the plastic. And this is dandelion. This over here is mango leaf. I think these are a little bit too dry. I brought them back, but they're a little bit, well, they're way too dry. I've never used mango leaf in tea, but I try to have a little of everything. And I think these are from a Julie mango tree. Either Julie or East Indian mango. So that is it. I thought I was done, but I'm not. This is Cersei. Can't forget Cersei. Real bitter, but it's a common tea herb.